students, how are you doing today? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today is our third chapter of General Knowledge. That name is Come Let Us Play. So play, that means games, right? We love games, huh? But the today's situation is, as we all know, we can't go outside, right? So as we know also, there's two types of games. First is indoor games and second is outdoor games. So we can't go outside, we can't play outdoor games, right? But we can do play indoor games, right? So through this lesson we can learn different types of games and their names. Okay, let's start. So students, as you see on your screen, here's our third lesson. Come let us play. As we know, there's different types of games. Now in these pictures you can see different types of games, right? And one more thing, they all don't have name on it, right? But in this box right here there are names of these games. Now what we can do, now we have to write obviously match with pictures and their names, the right name. So let's start. In this picture you can see a child and some boxes and some numbers. So now look at these names of different type of games. Hide and seek? No. Jigsaw puzzle? No. Memory game? Not this one. Marble? No. Musical chairs? No. Trampoline? No. Yes, the last one. The name is hopscotch. Yes, hopscotch. So, in this picture, the child play the outdoor game that call is hopscotch. You can write here in this box. And look at our second picture. They are showing some cards, right? So there are some games name, and let's start again. Is that hide and seek? No. Jigsaw puzzle? No. Memory game? Yes, this is a memory game. So this game is memory game. The first picture shows hopscotch, that is outdoor game, but the second picture shows indoor game. The name is memory game. Okay, the third picture shows some puzzles, right? So can you guess? Yes, puzzle. Here is puzzle. The name is jigsaw puzzle. Right. The third picture shows the name is jigsaw puzzle. You can write here. This one is also indoor game. Next picture shows children are jumping, right? So now go through the names. Hide and seek? No. Jigsaw puzzle? Already done. Memory game? Already done. Marbles? No. Musical chair? No. Trampoline? Right. So this one is, this picture shows trampoline. This one is also a outdoor game, right? Next picture shows some marbles. So you can guess, that is easy one. Here, marbles. The game name is marble. You can play this one indoor or outdoor also. Next one is, we all can relate to this, right? All children love to play this game. This one is hide and seek. Very good. So you can write on here hide and seek. This game also we can play outdoor and indoor. The last picture shows children and chair. So that one easy. Musical chairs. Very good. So this game we can also play indoor and outdoor. So children, now we all learn about these pictures and their names. So you have to do now. You have to do write name here in these boxes. Okay? Thank you.